butterflies strung on your Christmas tree? I bet you're wondering, what's up with that? Well, let's take a moment and let's find out. Thank you, Let's Resin, for sending me this butterfly moth resin earring molds. But I had to go outside the box. I think everyone's going to want some butterfly garland on their tree this year. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I have something very special for you. Something a little bit outside the box. Yes, we're going to be using these butterfly moth resin earring molds. But we're not going to be making earrings today. We're going to be making some garlands for your Christmas tree. Or for your fireplace. Or for your banister. Any place you would put some garlands. And it doesn't have to be Christmas colors. You can use any colors, and you can use this any time of the year. Butterflies are all seasons. Yep, they are. So just watch as I put these butterfly molds into action. In the video, you will be seeing me use Christmas colors, but I have many different colored butterflies made here, and those are the ones I'll be using on the garlands, including the Christmas colored ones. And then you'll see me display some on my tree. I'm using the Let's Resin 4-hour demold, and I'm using that for time purposes. You can also use UV resin if you'd like, or any resin for that matter. To fill these molds, I only used 1 ounce of part A and 1 ounce of part B. So it was just 2 ounces, and I still had maybe just a little bit left over. I used Let's Resin Gold, Let's Resin Red, and then I used green, also from Let's Resin, and I may have used a little bit of this little piggy in lily pad. And as you'll see, I'm pouring these in intermittently into these molds. Now I will be speeding this up also for time purposes, and you'll enjoy some music as we go along. Everything I do use will be found down in my description below with any discount codes that I may be able to offer you. Butterfly garlands and fairy lights. It's a perfect blend of nature's beauty and the magic of Christmas. Today I'm making more butterflies to add to my resin garland, and I'm using red, gold, and green, classic colors of Christmas. Gold is for the warmth and joy of the season, red for love and celebration, and green for renewal and life. Each butterfly symbolizes a part of the holiday spirit, and as I pour the resin, I'm reminded how these colors light up our homes and our hearts during this special time of the year. Gold flows so beautifully, almost like liquid sunshine. Red brings the vibrancy like the berries on the holly branch, and green adds that fresh evergreen touch. Together they create a festive harmony that feels just right for Christmas. For some reason, I decided to add some glitter, and I am sorry that I did. Adding the butterflies to the fairy lights. I've already finished some unique color combinations, like the black and the pink, the orange and the black, the blue and the gold. Each pair tells its own story. The orange and the black remind me of the fall blending into the winter, while the blue and the gold feel like a serene winter night, sparkling with stars. The gold and the black feel like elegant and timeless. The black and the white, a classic, bold contrast. Each butterfly is like a little memory of the seasons that lead us here, through the changing colors of fall to the glimmer of winter. As I attach these fairy lights to the butterfly, each truly come alive. The glow brings warmth like the lights on a Christmas tree. Each light feels like a reminder that even in the darkest days, there's always a spark of magic waiting to shine. I love how the lights reflect off the gold and shimmer through the translucent resin, making the butterflies look like they're fluttering through the night sky, carrying little wishes of joy and peace. I suggest if you are doing this, please be sure to wear your gloves. I'm experienced and I am not touching the resin at all. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when handling resin. I do want to thank Let's Resin for sending me this butterfly moth resin mold. If you do purchase the butterfly moth resin kit, it does come with all of the above pieces. I sometimes like to go outside the box, so that's why I decided to do this little project and make some garland for my tree and something that I can use all year round around the house. I hope you like what you're seeing here so far. Please let me know in the comments below. This butterfly garland can be used in the spring for your Easter display, for a garden party, for outdoor lighting in the summer, Or for bohemian decor, you can hang it above your bed or along a wall for a whimsical summer touch. How about for a harvest decor, pair it with some pumpkins and leaves and some candles. Use it for birthdays, anniversaries, any special occasion. Just be sure to use it. Now to all these special people who have given me super thanks for my birthday on my last video. Your generosity and support has meant the world to me. I am truly touched by the kindness I have received. Thank you to each and every one of you for making my birthday so memorable and for being such an amazing part of this community. There are many art angels out there who have also contributed to an amazing gift card that I received to a restaurant called Rayos in Hollywood, and also sending me to see Wicked. My heart has overflowed. I am so grateful to so many for my 70th birthday, and I thank you each and every one. So if you like what you've seen here today and you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment and subscribe today and hit that bell so you get notified when I make a video, which is normally once a week on a Sunday. And if you're in that live chat and you haven't met your neighbor yet, take a moment and say hi and make a friend today. It's always nice to meet your neighbor and make a friend today. And if you happen to have a premiere going on today, leave your link in my chat. That's why I gave you a wrench. Share your video. This butterfly garland captures the spirit of transformation, beauty, and light. Everything Christmas stands for. Thank you for joining me on my creative journey. If this project has inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in my comments below. I wish you a season full of light, love, and a little bit of magic. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. And take that bit of magic with you. Bye-bye now.